Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss about the basic damage stability determination in relation to SOLAS. Introduction. Damage stability is the ability of a ship to remain stable and float safely even when a part of ship is damaged and flooded with water. According to an international convention for the safety of life at sea, Chapter 2 to 1. Ships must follow a proper stability requirements to protect the passengers, crew, cargo, and the vessel itself during accidents at sea. This report explains the basic criteria of damage stability and why it is important in maritime transportation. Basic concept of damage stability. Damage stability focuses on what happens when the ship experiences damage such as collision, grounding, or hull cracking. When water enters the ship, the vessel may lose trim or sink if it does not have enough stability. To prevent this, ships are divided into watertight compartments using watertight bulkheads. These compartments help limit the spread of flooding and keep the ship floating. The main goal of dam stability is to make sure the ship can still survive after damage and give enough time for rescue and emergency response.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Aris Lagari. I will report criteria in damage stability. Number 1. Watertight subdivision. Ships are divided into compartments to reduce flooding. If one compartment is damaged, the other compartment can still keep the ship stable and afloat. Number 2. Floodable length. Floodable length is the maximum length of a compartment that can be flooded without causing the ships to sink. Number 3. Deterministic assessment. This method assumes specific types of damage and checks if the ship can survive after flooding. Probabilistic assessment. This method uses probability or chances of damage occurring on different areas of the ship. It measures how likely the ships can survive different flooding situation. 5. Residual stability. After damage, the ship must still have enough stability to avoid capsizing and continue floating safety. Importance of damage stability. Damage stability is very important because it helps save lives, protect our cargo, and prevent marine accidents. It also helps ship comply with international safety standard under SOLAS. Proper damage stability design reduces the risk of sinking and improve ship safety during emergencies. Overall damage stability is an important part of ship safety. SOLAS Chapter 2:1 provides rules and standards to ensure that ship can survive flooding and remain stable after damage. By using watertight compartment, floodable length calculation, and stability assessment, ships become safer for everyone on board. That's all. Thank you.